Hi, there seems to be quite a lot of people out there who don't seem to understand that there's a bug in Grokipedia that was just released yesterday. This is version 0.01. And let me go to a page here. This is the one I posted. My post somehow went viral. I don't know, but let's have a look. The Miller effect, I will refresh it here. Okay, the Miller effect. And if I scroll right down to the bottom of the page, I'll move my head. Look, I'm right at the bottom of the page. There is no Creative Commons attribution thing down here, okay? But if I go to Transistor, once again, I'll refresh the page here, okay? Then it does, there's the top of it and go right down the bottom. It does have the correct Wikimedia, like Creative Commons attribution, share alike license thing down here. Cool, they should actually link to it, I think. But yeah, now the reason I suspect why this bug actually happens is because the Miller effect page is a direct copy of Wikipedia, and that's allowed. It's just fine, right? Under the Creative Commons, as long as you put attributions, you follow the license and everything else, all the legalese behind that, okay? But it has not made any changes to this. Why? Because if you look up in the top right corner here, there is no make like a see changes button, okay? So I'm going to assume that it's made absolute, and it looks like it's made absolutely no changes at all. But if you go to the Transistor page, it does have, look, it's got the See Edits button up here. And if you click on the See Edits button, you can actually see exactly what Grok has changed in here from the references pulled in from Wikipedia. You can go to all the different types here, or all of them, okay? And I suspect that's where the bug is. On pages that haven't been changed, for some reason, there is no Creative Commons attribution license at the bottom, but for pages it has changed, I haven't comprehensively searched this, I've barely even used Grokipedia yet, but it does have the attributions share alike. And if you think it's a browser-based thing, well, here we go. I'm using Opera. Let me refresh this here. Miller effect on Opera, and no Creative Commons at the bottom, but the Transistor one does have it. So there you go. There's a legitimate bug, I guess, in Grokipedia. Catch you next time.